Development in the trial of Nicholas Canfield, who's been found guilty of the 2020 murder and sexual abuse of a 2-year-old girl. As the legal process moves forward, the focus now shifts to the penalty phase, where a jury will determine whether Canfield should face the death penalty. Wink News anchor Jillian Haggerty has the latest developments from the courtroom.
The state and the defense went head in making their arguments. Now, the state brought in a medical expert who described the toddler's injuries and said Canfield was responsible for her death. Now, the defense took a different approach where they said Canfield was a product of his own circumstance, and they tried to get compassion from the jury. Prosecutors are pushing hard for the death penalty in this case, arguing that the severity of his crimes warrant the ultimate punishment, bringing up aggravating factors like the defendant has a prior felony conviction for abuse against another person, and the defendant committed sexual battery against a 2-year-old child. Canfield's defense attorney told jurors he's marked by domestic violence, drugs, and sexual abuse.
There were numerous incidents throughout this period, the early part of Mr. Canfield's life, that the Department of Children and Family Services had to intervene because of the domestic violence, because of the drug use, et cetera, et cetera. To top it all off, Nick Canfield was sexually abused by an older cousin when he was 9 years old.
He details on multiple occasions that not only does he have a really good memory, but he has a photographic memory, and then says, I've told you this story 10 times.
And jurors are going to weigh 2 different outcomes: life in prison without parole for Canfield or the potential death penalty. And we'll keep you updated. But for now, at the Lee County Courthouse, Jillian Haggerty, Wink News.
Jillian, thanks.